Still coughing nonstop every single night? Try this simple 30-second lemon remedy before going to bed and soothe your throat naturally. If your throat feels itchy, dry, or irritated, this simple home mix can help calm the cough naturally. Just lemon and honey. Here's what you do. Take half a fresh lemon, squeeze it into warm water, add 1 teaspoon of honey, and mix well. Stir the fresh lemon juice with 1 teaspoon of honey until it fully dissolves in the warm water, creating a soothing drink for your throat. Lemon gives your body a boost of vitamin C, while honey coats the throat and may help reduce irritation and coughing. Save this for the next time a cough hits brighter, and follow me and subscribe for more simple, natural, and easy health tips.